Okay. Yeah, for this one, as far as the website design, it's it's really good. But here, for example, you say image by somebody else, and I don't know why you'd put somebody else's artwork on there. But then stuff like this, it's like, is this really your work? Like, why? And if it is, why didn't you submit this in any of the prior modules? And when I search for it, it's on all these um, stock images sites. So what it looks like to me is you just downloaded some images from stock images site. Um, and like these are on stock image sites or sales sites, and this is on a stock image site. And if this is an animation project that you did, what what's the animation project? Where's the rest of it? It just looks like you just downloaded stock images and represented them as your own work. And then the other question I have is, what you did turn in a bunch of 3D models in the triage project, but none of that work is in here. Um, so I can't understand what the story is. What I'm convinced is this is not your work. This is stuff that you've downloaded from stock image sites. And so what I want is you to clarify what is actually your work that you've created and what isn't. And if this is your work, where's what was it for? How was it applied? Where's the rest of that? Like if this is part of an animation, let's see the animation. Maybe let's see some of the breakdowns. But what I'm convinced is you just downloaded different stock images. Like this is an image on a like a clothes selling website. So anyway, I think you really need to clarify what's yours, what isn't yours, and only put your own work on here, because putting someone else's work on here and saying it's yours is plagiarism. And that would include these background images too need to be credited and so forth. So I think you just have some explaining to do about the source of the content that's on here.